I'm and I'm one of the two co-founders of IonKraft.
Hi, I'm Tom Palmer. I'm the Global Product Manager for Plastics at Greif.
Our innovative nano-coating system combines the superior barrier properties of glass with the durability and low weight of plastic. So our core product is an advanced coating system which is designed to seal and enhance the performance of any plastic packaging. And at low pressure, we ignite a special process gas mixture with microwaves to a plasma. And from this plasma, our coating is applied on the surface through a process called plasma-enhanced chemical vapor deposition. And this formed barrier is chemically stable, making it suitable for aggressive chemicals, and is food safe, making it ideal for a broad range of applications. So we have developed also an advanced machinery capable of applying these coatings to containers of various shapes and sizes at an industrial scale. And we are now bringing the technology to the market.
Thanks, Monty. For Greif, this innovation technology is a valuable addition to our product range, enabling us to offer a high-performance mono-material, fully recyclable barrier solution. By integrating IonKraft technology into our products, we're moving further towards our sustainability goals, while also meeting our customer needs in terms of barrier quality.
Some traditional barrier technologies for plastic packaging are effective, but can pose environmental and regulatory challenges. Our coating offers a barrier performance equal or superior to these traditional methods, but with the added benefit of being completely fluorine-free and fully recyclable. Our solution easily meets any emerging regulations, ensuring compliance without compromising on performance.
From Greif's perspective, the most significant benefits are the efficiencies and adaptability of IonKraft's technology. We can integrate it seamlessly into our production processes, allowing us to deliver top-tier packaging to meet the rigorous demands of our customers. It's really a win-win situation, as it supports both performance and sustainability, which are increasing important market factors.
Plastics have the potential to be environmentally sustainable when recycled after use. However, this requires packaging to be designed for recyclability. Our plasma coating technology allows for exactly that. Our innovative coatings allow to produce packaging that offers superior protection while contributing to a circular economy. And on top of that, our process even delivers a reduced CO2 footprint.
At Greif, sustainability is part of our core values, and we are pleased that IonKraft's technology aligns perfectly with that. By adopting this innovative coating, we are able to offer products that support circular economy. It is not just about meeting regulations. It's about leading the industry towards a more sustainable future.
We are positioning IonKraft as a leader in sustainable barrier packaging technology. Our innovation isn't just a product, it's a solution to one of the industry's biggest challenges, creating recyclable barrier packaging. And we are very proud of this collaboration with the industry leader Greif. Together, we are demonstrating the technology's effectiveness across various applications. With our first commercial machines available in 2025, we are set to drive a significant change in the industry.
We are happy to partner with IonKraft in establishing new standards in packaging. Together, we're demonstrating to the market that the high-performance demands can be met without compromise.
We are excited about the future of sustainable packaging and our ongoing partnership with Greif. Stay tuned for more updates as we lead the way in innovation.
This collaboration marks a big step forward for both companies and the industry. Follow us to stay updated on our journey.